Welcome to Today Learn. In this video, you will learn English from Bangla. Very easy English. Very slow English. Very clear English. Relax, sit comfortably, and listen carefully. Do not worry. Do not feel shy. Just listen and repeat. Now let us begin. Ami inreji shikchi. I am learning English Ami. Purtidin inreji. Anushilan kri. I practice English every day. Ami inreji diktha. Baltakai. I want to speak English. Ami bhul karte bhi pai na. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Repeat again. Ami bhalo achi. I am fine. Ami ekhan bhalo bodh karchi. I feel good now. Ami baist. I am busy. Ami ekhan free. I am free now. Ami clant. I am tired. Repeat slowly. Ami skale utti. I wake up in the morning. Ami dant brashkri. I brush my teeth. Ami muktui. I wash my face. Ami goslkri. I take a shower. Ami nasta kray. I have breakfast. Repeat again. Ami kajayai. I go to work. Ami kajkri. I work dami birti. Nay. I take a break. Ami basai phire asi. I come back home. Ami bishram nay. I rest. Ami rate kumai. I sleep at night. Good Ami sudhart. I am hungry. Ami tersanart. I am thirsty. Ami pani khai. I drink water. Ami kabar khai. I eat food. Repeat again. Amarna minikyats. My name is Ami freitege. Aseki. I am from Daut. Ami nawe Thaki. I live in Bartao Mbari. Ami Action Bari. I am a chawa. Repeat slowly. Ami sahai. Chai. I need help. Diakre sahai krong. Please help me. Diakre abar blam. Please say it again. Diakre dhire blam. Please speak slowly. Dhanibad. Thank you. Anek dhanibad. Thank you very much. Repeat again. Ami bujte parchina. I don't understand. Ami bujte chesta karchi. I am trying to understand. Ami shikchi. I am learning. Repeat slowly. Ami aj khushi. I am happy today. Ami dukhit. I am sad. Ami sintit. I am worried. Ami shant. I am calm. Ami atam bishbasi. I am confident. Repeat again. Ami akan basi achi. I am sitting now. Ami danriya achi. I am standing now. Ami hanchi. I am walking. Ami shunchi. I am listening. Ami ktabolchi. I am speaking. Repeat slowly. Ami enreji anushil. Kurchi. I am practicing English. Ami unti kurchi. I am improving. Ami pratidin palo hechi. I am getting better every day. Repeat again. Ami kal kaj karbo. I will work tomorrow. Ami kal enreji anushil karbo. I will practice English tomorrow. Ami niyamit shikbo. I will learn regularly. Repeat slowly. Ami atabishan cry. I like this. Ami atab halobasi. I love this. Ami shikte halobasi. I love learning. Ami inreji biltakai. I want to speak English. Repeat again. Ami bhi paina. I am not afraid. Ami ja paina. I am not shy. Ami chesta chaliye yab. I will keep trying. Repeat slowly. Ami parbo. I can do it. Ami parchi. I am doing it. Ami indreji bilte pari. I can speak English. Repeat again. Etiasre. It is easy. Etta korte henna. It is not difficult. Ami dhire dhire shikchi. I am learning step by step. Repeat slowly. Ami aaj anushil krechi. I practiced today. Ami agami kal abar anushil kerbo. I will practice again tomorrow. Ami tambona. I will not stop. Repeat again. Mani rakben pulkras babhabik. Making mistakes is normal. Chesta krajuri. Practice is important. Pertidin ekto. Little by little every day. Now repeat the final sentences. Ami inreji shikchi. I'm learning English. Ami atabishbasi. I am confident. Ami pertidin anushil. Kri. I practice every day. Ami indreji biltepari. I can speak English. Repeat again. Excellent. Keep practicing. Keep learning. Never give up. This is Today Learn. Thank you for learning with me.